Hello everyone, my name's Katie Kay and I'm the head of editorial here at Love Stories TV. Love Stories TV is the only video platform in the wedding industry. We have over 20,000 real wedding videos that are just waiting to inspire you and to give you ideas for your own wedding. Not only that, but we have over 60,000 wedding professionals just waiting to work with you. In today's episode, I've purchased the top rated bridesmaids gifts on Amazon and I'm gonna go through them all right here for you. By the way, are you doing a first look with your wedding party? It's literally one of my favorite moments that I see in weddings. People get so emotional, so many tears. Our social channels are full of them. So if you want to check them out afterward, you can find us everywhere at Love Stories TV. So up first, we have this cute little proposal accessory set. It comes with a scrunchie, which I am a big fan of. I know it's trending right now, or maybe we're on the tail end of the trend, but I always have a scrunchie on hand, so I'm definitely a big fan of scrunchies, and this particular one came in either rose gold or light pink. I went with rose gold because my engagement ring's rose gold, so couldn't say no to that one. It also comes with a rose gold bangle that has a little knot, you know, tie the knot, of course, so that's cute. Keep in mind, this is Amazon, so the jewelry is not gonna be, you know, the most high quality jewelry you'll ever find, but hey, it's cute. And then finally, honestly, this might be my personal favorite part, but this pen with a little, how cute. I actually just got one of my friends these for her engagement gift, or a celebrate you're engaged gift. So yeah, I'm a big fan of this. I think these are really cute. Like, I would actually totally get these for my bridesmaids, like in their bridesmaid proposal gift. Probably not on the day of the wedding, because I wouldn't want them to like wear these at the wedding, but yeah, I would get these in like a bridesmaid proposal. And they also come with these cute little cards that say, I can't tie the knot without you, which is very fitting for the bangle. I mean, hey, you really can't tie the knot without your friends, right? Those people are there for you. They're gonna help you go to the bathroom in that wedding dress. You need those friends there. This is a jewelry kit, which, surprise to no one, is obviously a popular thing to get bridesmaids, but it's again the knot, so you're tying the knot. So we have a necklace here, and then little studs. Hopefully you can see these. Personally, I kind of think they look like pretzels, which is not a bad thing. If you have a pretzel cart as your late night snack, yeah, those are perfect. Go for it. Okay, so the third thing is this scented candle set, which, look how pretty those are. I am a personal fan of doing similar things for friends, but then if there are slight variations, like again, there are different patterns, I like choosing the one I think fits each friend best. So I think that's actually perfect for a bridesmaid gift. So this one's like a pearly pink. Oh, that actually smells really good. Kind of floral, but also sweet. Okay, let's do, ooh, this is like a dark green, moody marble one. This would be a fun one for a fall wedding or your Scorpio friend. It smells like lemon. Oh, okay, so they all smell different. This is lavender. Perfect for your friend who may need a little bit of soothing. Maybe this one's for you on your wedding day. I'm a big fan of these. I think they're super cute. You can't go wrong with candles. Like, truly, I have a million candles in my home, all different sizes from different events. Yeah, I don't think you can go wrong with these. They're cute. These are makeup bags that say bridesmaid on them. They also have a maid of honor one, a bride, so you can match your girls. Although the bride one doesn't have the little flowers, which I think is kind of the cutest part of the bag. And then a matron of honor. Maybe this is an unpopular opinion, but I hate that term. We're in the 21st century. Like, we don't need to be called matrons anymore. Frankly, I am not a fan. I'll just say it. I don't like them. But I am a huge fan of giving your wedding party containers of some sort. And if they're all female, yeah, I think a bag is a great way to go, a makeup bag, especially if you stuff it with little goodies like tweezers and a nail file and little lipsticks, like things they might need to touch up their look on the wedding day. I think that's so cute. I love that stuff. Another reason I don't like these is because they just have the, I mean, again, we're back to the matron. Just hate the matron thing. They just have the title, and I don't think that's cute. I think you should personalize each bag for your friends. Like, have their name, or at least have their initial on the bag. I think having just bridesmaid is not as cute. Now, I do want to note one thing. With all of these, they're kind of just assuming that you're gonna have all bridesmaids. Here at Love Stories TV, we're a big proponent of doing your wedding completely your way. And if that means having a mixed gender wedding party, yes, we say go for it. I'm actually having my brother in my wedding party, so I will not have all bridesmaids, so I will be mixing it up for the gifts and such. Just wanted to note that the last review is a wine glass that says, "Bitch, please, you're obviously gonna be my maid of honor." Yes, I would give this one to my maid of honor. And how much fun would this be to drink out of on the morning of your wedding with some mimosas? Okay, so those were all the Amazon reviews, but I did want to give one honorable mention and also mention that I actually was supposed to get robes and review those in this video, but they never came. So, you know, there's another little maybe issue with getting things from Amazon, but it was just a normal satin robe. I totally think you should get your girls something to wear on the morning of, preferably something that either opens from the front like a robe or a flannel, or talking about a flannel, something that buttons like a button-up shirt, or like cute PJs, something they can take on and off without messing up their hair and makeup. I just think it's really cute and it looks super cute in wedding photos. I know I don't have a matching set of PJs. I would love if one of my friends gave me a matching set of PJs. Now, onto the honorable mention. Hello, these Birdy Gray sunglasses, how cute. These are from Birdy Gray, one of our favorite bridesmaid dress brands. They have a ton of batch party accessories like these glasses. I think they even have floaties. If you're getting married, you should definitely go check out their site because they have a ton of fun stuff like this. Thanks so much for watching. If you liked that video, make sure to give us a thumbs up and please leave a comment below telling us the best bridesmaid gift you've ever seen. Seriously, the crazier the better. Actually, the cuter the better. I want to hear them. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more wedding advice and visit lovestoriestv.com for ideas and inspiration for your wedding. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram and TikTok at Love Stories TV. See you next time.